Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2017 Buick Verano? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box houses high-amperage fuses and relays that protect critical systems like the cooling fan, ABS, and ignition. It ensures stable power distribution and safeguards essential engine and drivetrain components. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box contains fuses that protect low-voltage circuits for interior features such as the infotainment system, dashboard lights, power outlets, and climate controls. It helps maintain functionality and prevents electrical damage to cabin electronics. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box manages power for rear electrical components like taillights, trunk release, and rear climate controls. It helps ensure the proper function and safety of rear-end systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.